Hi, this is Six String Steve. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so we've got this Ozark Trails tent. Actually, it's not a tent. It's called the screen house. I did a video. Some of you might remember seeing that. I did a video about it, but I've had several people mention, well, why didn't you show how you set it up? So that's what we're going to do real quick. Just your basic tent. Pretty simple. But Ethan's putting together the poles. We've got these fiberglass poles, of course, that will hold the tent up, and we're gonna flatten out the tent in an area where we're going to set it up. I keep calling it a tent, it's a screened house. And then we're going to finish setting it up here. Well, but I'll show you some of the steps as we do it. Okay, we've laid out the screen house where we're gonna put it up. And our poles are these are the two longer fiberglass roof poles. Then there's 4 steel poles that are the legs for each 4 corners. And then we start with this shorter fiberglass pole that has the rubber caps on the ends right here. You can see that. This is what we start with, and these will go in a little pocket is what it said. So let's find that right here. See, there's the little stitch pocket on this end, and then it's going to go through this sleeve and go to the other end. So we'll get this slid in here and I'll check back with you. All right, we've got that first middle pole in there. It's kind of hard to get in there. You put it in one, you slide it through the sleeve, place it in one pocket, and then you have to kind of bend it. You can see it's curved a bit for it to fit in the other end. All right, and on to the next part. Here's one of the long 2 fiberglass roof poles, and you can see the white tape that they've put on here color coordinates with this. It's going to fit in this on both ends here and as well down there at the other corner of the tent. We'll do that now. So here at the top middle of the screen house, there's this little tab at the top. I've fed this tent pole through here, through the tab, and then into the next sleeve, and it's underneath the very first pole that we put in, the short pole. So we got 2 of these long poles to put in now. So now, as you can see, we've got the first long pole in, and it fits inside this little plastic elbow. See the white tape and the white tape here. The leg poles will go here. They're marked with red tape as well. We're going to do the second long pole for the roof. So here's what it looks like at this point with all of the roof poles on. The 2 long ones go to the corners and fit in the elbows, and the middle one fits into those little sleeves right there.
Okay, so see this red tape right here? So that end is gonna go with this red tape.
Yep.
Like this.
Exactly.
So then you can stand it up. And it'll have it on all 4 sides.
Yep. Nice. Okay, and then also what we're gonna have to do, see the clips? There's the clips that'll go on the legs. So we'll get the other 4 legs put on, and then we'll start bringing it up and clipping it to each leg. Here's how these pole legs fit together, real simple. Just slides right in and holds it. And then you've got the clips on each corner for the pole. This is to tie the doors open, flaps. And then at the bottom, of course, we do this step. You put the little pin into the leg and it holds it. And now we're gonna stake each corner down and we'll be finished. It's a pretty quick process, really. Luckily we've got some soft ground here. These stakes just go right in with your, pushing them in with your foot, with our feet. So we don't need a hammer here. Out in the desert, when we were in Arizona, man, it was tough ground. It's starting to shape up here, look at this. There we go, easy peasy. And our next process, we may put the guy lines out, but I don't know, we'll wait. We're not supposed to have any high winds, I don't think, so we'll probably be okay. But you do have these guy lines at each corner right here that you can stake out, you know, away from the tent, but we're probably not going to do that right now. Lots of room in here. We'll probably bring our white table, our small collapsible table in here and set it up, our portable table, and also some chairs, and that'll be good. Keeps all the bugs out, you know, if you're in here wanting to sit around and you don't want bugs all over you. That's good for that, for sure. And to keep that hot sun off of you.